Welcome back, future medicos. In the previous video, I told you that the registration for Kerala medical admission has commenced for the academic year 2026-27. If you have not seen that video, or if you are not aware about the commencement of registration for Kerala medical admission for 2026, I strongly suggest you to go and view that video. I will provide a link to that video in the description. In this video, we are going to look at the performance that was needed to get into Kerala private medical colleges under the All India Merit category. Why we are talking about All India Merit category? Because this is the category through which other state candidates can enter into Kerala private medical colleges. So I am more interested in the AM category or All India Merit category. So I'm going to show you the cutoff marks for each private medical college. There are 21 private medical colleges, and we will see the cutoff for each and every private medical college. I will show you what was the All India rank. I will show you what was the state rank that is within Kerala. And then I will also show you the NEET marks. Now, anyone who is seeing this video for 2026 admission or subsequent admissions, please do not look at the NEET score, because NEET score can fluctuate every year. Look at the All India rank, which is going to be much more closer or much more reflective of what could happen in the future. And also, for you, you will know the All India rank first. So looking at the All India rank is always better. And Kerala has conducted 5 rounds for MBBS admission. They conducted round 1, round 2, round 3, stray round and special stray round. So I'm going to show you the summarized final cutoff marks, taking into account all the 5 rounds that were conducted in 2025. So we are looking at the AM category, All India Merit category. Course is MBBS. So you can see the college, then you will see the All India rank, then the state rank, then the NEET marks. So what is the topmost college? The most preferred private medical college in Kerala is Jubilee Mission Medical College. This college closed at an All India rank of 25,123. So it's one of the most competitive college to enter into. An All India rank of 25,123. More or less, you should be able to get a government college in many other states at this rank. But if you prefer Kerala, being other state candidate, this is the rank at which the seat was available. All India rank 25,100. The equivalent state rank was 2,277 and NEET marks 528. The second college or the second most popular college was Amala Institute, which closed at an All India rank of 27,594. Pushpagiri closed at 30,700. Malankara Orthodox Syrian Church closed at 31,600 All India rank. Sri Gokulam Medical College closed at 32,650. Believers Church Medical College closed at 33,500. MEES Medical College closed at 34,470. Malabar Medical College closed at 46,700. KMCT Medical College closed at 47,200. Travancore Medical College closed at an All India rank of 50,388. Moving on to the 11th college in the list, Dr. Somerville Memorial CSI Medical College closed at an All India rank of 51,500. Sri Narayana Institute 54,400. SUT Academy 54,950. Dr. Moopans Medical College 65,300. PK Das Institute 67,300. Azizia Institute 69,000, Karuna Medical College 72,200, Mount Zion Medical College 74,800, Palakkad Institute 75,500, Al Azhar Medical College 76,100, and Kerala Medical College, which is the last college in terms of closing score. It closed at an All India rank of 78,905. So if you are targeting Kerala private medical colleges from other states, please remember, you should have a very, very high score. It's not easier to get into Kerala private medical colleges because the fee structure is very, very competitive. The fee structure is the lowest for management quota among the southern states. So these private medical colleges in Kerala roughly charge less than 10 lakhs per year as tuition fees. So that's why the competition is extremely high. So what is the closing rank last year? 78,900 All India rank. In terms of state rank within Kerala, the candidates who have applied to Kerala, within that, the state rank was 7,400. And NEET score, the final closing score last year was 479. Again, don't take 479 as a reference. This year, the cutoff could be completely different. It could be 579 or it could be 379 also. We do not know what would be the score. Why? Because the score is always relative. It depends on how easier the exam or how difficult the exam. In 2025, the exam was tough. So the cutoff came down. Let's say 2026, the exam becomes easier. If the exam is easier, then the cutoff may go up. Instead of 479, you might see 550 or even 600. So don't look at the NEET score. NEET score is only for reference. What should you look at? The All India rank. If you are in the top 100,000 ranks, probably you can give it a try for Kerala private medical colleges. Anything less than that, the chances are low. Of course, we cannot predict or we cannot confidently say what would be the closing rank. But looking at the last few years, it never crossed 1 lakh All India rank. So most likely it could be the range at which you might be able to get Kerala private medical colleges. I hope this information is useful to you. If you need any further information, please leave your queries in the comments below. I will try to address them. Thank you. Bye-bye.